Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 8. The goal approaches. The turtle keeps moving on the road. The turtle keeps moving on the road. The goal looks very close. The goal looks very close. The wind blows very softly. The wind blows very softly. The birds fly in the sky. The birds fly in the sky. The turtle looks ahead. The turtle looks ahead. I will walk a little more. I will walk a little more. Light shines into the forest. Light shines into the forest. Leaves fall on the road. Leaves fall on the road. The turtle moves its feet. The turtle moves its feet. I will not stop. I will not stop. The monkey shouts from a tree. The monkey shouts from a tree. The goal is very near. The goal is very near. The bear nods very deeply. The bear nods very deeply. The fox opens its eyes. The fox opens its eyes. The turtle smiles slightly. The turtle smiles slightly. The sky shines very blue. The sky shines very blue. A bird sits on a branch. A bird sits on a branch. The wind moved the grass. The wind moved the grass. The turtle crosses a stone. The turtle crosses a stone. The road continues very straight. The road continues very straight. I will go to the end. I will go to the end. The monkey claps its hands. The monkey claps its hands. The bear stares ahead. The bear stares ahead. The fox walks very quietly. The fox walks very quietly. The turtle is sweating a little. The turtle is sweating a little. I can still walk. I can still walk. A flag is visible in the distance. A flag is visible in the distance. The goal was very close. The goal was very close. The birds are singing. The birds are singing. The forest looked very bright. The forest looked very bright. The turtle moves very slowly. The turtle moves very slowly. I do not need to hurry. I do not need to hurry. The monkey shows a smile. The monkey shows a smile. The bear crosses its arms. The bear crosses its arms. The fox watches the road. The fox watches the road. The turtle moves forward. The turtle moves forward. The wind pushed my back. The wind pushed my back. I do not want to lose. I do not want to lose. Leaves dance in the air. Leaves dance in the air. The turtle takes a deep breath. The turtle takes a deep breath. The goal looks very large. The goal looks very large. The monkey makes a shout. The monkey makes a shout. Go turtle, keep going. Go turtle, keep going. The birds fly very high. The birds fly very high. The turtle does not stop its steps. The turtle does not stop its steps. The wind moves through the forest. The wind moves through the forest. White clouds move across the sky. White clouds move across the sky. The turtle walked very calmly. The turtle walked very calmly. The goal is right there. The goal is right there. The race is nearing the end. The race is nearing the end. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.